open the Oreos? Look. How do you open them? How do you do it? You gotta use 2 hands.
No, we don't open the Oreos like that. Turn them around. There you go. Get to the treasure. It's like a kid on Christmas.
Hey, look. What's that? I'm beating them up.
Ah! No.
Be nice.
Look, you dropped the Oreo. Alright, okay. No more Oreos for you. No more.